Welcome back, everybody, to another episode of Ty and Gig Builds. This week we're coming back to our roots here with a backyard build.
Backyard builds, backyard
builds. Builders, we're back. We got some big, nice slabs of wood here. We want to play cornhole this summer, so we're gonna build it. Gonna chop this guy right in half here for obviously the front of the cornhole board. Gonna use these as the sides. And we're gonna bring out some of my favorite tools today, baby.
Just finished up cutting the red oak to size. Gonna use some butt joints here. Now we're just gonna drill out some pocket holes, do a little montage of that, and glue everything on the sides and tighten it up real tight. Build. Boxes look really good, so now we're gonna cut the holes. I think there's 6 inches in diameter, and then we're gonna sand some things down and attach the legs before we finish it with the Builds oil. Double rub, Builds.
Folks, not as nice out today. We're back in the shed here. Got the frame of this all set up here. We're just gonna sand her down, smoothing her out a bit, get some of these edges, get this circle nice and smooth, and then take the router here around this little hole, just make it a little more circular. And then we'll stick the legs on, finish her up, call it a build.
Oh!
Okay.
Look at that!
Nice.
Look at that.
That's how we play cornhole out here.
We just won't show that clip.
Guys, this may have looked like a simple build, but it's not when you're in this cram shed. We're getting finally to the team rub point. Okay,
team rub.
Team rub is our favorite part. We got some paintbrushes here. We got the polyurethane. We're ready to team rub, baby. Let's do it. Oh, it doesn't want to open?
Nah. It seems that we kind of sealed it shut last time, I guess.
You see, guys, the video is only about 3 or 4 minutes long, but it takes several hours due to logistics.
It's a team rub.
And that's team rub. I was about to do the welcome back. Boom! And another backyard build, baby. This is gonna be great playing some cornhole this summer. Stay tuned if you like it. We're gonna do a nice tech upgrade. You know we always love the tech. We love the LEDs. And the LEDs were sick! this one. Don't forget to check us out on Instagram for weekly updates. And guys, build.
It's too easy with the
build. It's like you're like backdoor build.
because hell the mics are broken. So
Yeah, we're waiting for a new mic, so we gotta do what we can do here over at the office.
I think you could hit the board. That would be really good here.